Good evening. I would like to introduce you to the 410 STAR staff. I'm Mrs. Drummond.
I'm Mr. Adam.
I'm Miss Hogan.
I'm Miss B.
Your child participates daily in center-based instruction while being expected to follow the 3 school-wide expectations of be safe, be respectful, and be responsible. Daily academic instruction is given to your child along with earnings, music, and physical education. If you ever have any questions, feel free to contact us. Bye.
Hi everyone, we are your campus therapy team. I am Emily Rennie, the speech therapist.
I'm Kim Jones, one of the occupational therapists.
I'm Jody Karras, a physical therapist.
In school-based occupational therapy, we address skills related to educational performance, such as fine motor skills, visual perceptual skills, visual motor, and sensory skills. I'm looking forward to a wonderful school year.
I work on skills that impact academics, such as expressive and receptive language and articulation, which is how students express their thoughts and ideas and how they understand and process information that is presented to them. I am also looking forward to a wonderful school year.
In physical therapy, we're to work on gross motor skills in the school environment, such as navigating the school safely and appropriately. We also work on coordination skills, such as throwing, catching, and kicking balls. We also work on overall strength and stability. And I also look forward to having a wonderful school year with your students.
Welcome to room 408. I'm Mrs. DeBella, and I am so excited that your children are in my class this year. This is one of my teaching assistants.
Mr. C.
This is my other teaching assistant.
Mr. O.
And this is my behavior specialist.
Miss Costello.
This year is going to be a fun and exciting year, and I cannot wait to see how much we grow and learn together.